eating with my Hero GoPro 5 by my side. I am Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, and today is Thursday, 28 August 2025. And this is a device I've used to film some of the videos here on my YouTube channel. It is a water-resistant, waterproof device. This is, pick it up. And when I turn it on, it shows on this screen what it's looking at. And there's kind of a wide way to look at things and then kind of the normal view. So there's, or I guess that's like picture taking and movie taking. It takes pictures and movies. And it is a device I've actually submerged in water. And I have a YouTube submerging my GoPro video here on my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. And as I eat, I'm going to do Lindt Lindor truffle. My grandma Connie gave me this for my birthday, and she's like, one a day. And so I was like, all right. It looks like we got 3 options. We've got a yellow option, a red option, and a blue option. And to not take sides in any Formula 1 fighting that may be going on this weekend between a particular red driver and a particular blue driver in terms of uniform, I'm going to go with yellow. Gold, is it brown, kind of white, which is white chocolate. And so it's a device that, it was one of the ones that got me filming. Oh, that is soft. That's good. It got me filming back 2017, 2018, getting stuff on this channel. And I've weaned off and using a little bit, but it's fun for, in my experience, outdoor settings, or if there's water, that kind of stuff. So, yeah. And thank you, Grandma Connie. That was delicious. To not eat the whole bag in one go. All right, thank you for joining my GoPro Hero 5 and me, Tanis in GoPro Hero 5 for this dining with.